2023 was a year of dramatic changes in interest rate predictions on how high UK interest rates will go. After initially forecasting UK interest rates would likely rise to as high as 6.5% by the end of 2023, those predictions changed dramatically after a summer of positive UK inflation data. This means that today UK interest rate forecasts are much more mild than predicted. There's a good chance that the current level of 5.25% may be the peak for UK interest rates in the near future. As expected, the Bank of England voted to keep interest rates on hold at 5.25% at the 21st of March interest rate meeting. This decision comes amidst moderating inflation and global economic uncertainties. However, Governor Andrew Bailey hinted that a rate cut might be coming soon. The voting pattern within the MPC is particularly noteworthy. Last time, some members voted for a rate hike, while others favoured a cut. This time there was a shift. While 8 out of the 9 members still voted to hold, none voted for a hike. This suggests a softening stance within the MPC, paving the way for a potential rate cut in June. According to the latest Bloomberg predictions, the Bank of England is expected to cut UK interest rates at least 3 times in 2024, with the first rate cut expected to come in June 2024. Thursday's voting pattern amongst the MPC members has further cemented this forecast. How did the markets react? The pound fell in value against the majority of developed currencies after the Bank of England interest rate decision in March, which was widely seen as painting the way for a June rate cut. Sterling is lower versus the dollar and the euro since the meeting. It had been the best performing currency in the G10 so far this year, although the performance has been more mixed in recent weeks. We also saw a move in UK government bond yields, with the yield on 2-year UK gilts falling approximately 15 basis points since the meeting. Make sure you're subscribed to XDB to stay up to date with the latest on trading and investment.